Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diah Annisya. You can call me Diah. I'm from Oriflame Beauty, Sweden. I would introduce to you one of the beauty product, namely mask and scrub. With aloe vera organic Oriflame, love nature refreshing 2-in-1 mask and scrub with organization, aloe vera and coconut in cleansing the face and using tones every day is a mandatory thing. But spoil yourself with a scrub that helps clean the face all the time. Using a mask can make the skin feel more fun. With the extract of aloe vera organic and choice material for coconut water, Love Nature aloe vera and coconut water hydrating 2-in-1 mask and scrub helps water the dull skin and helps your face appear hydrated and fresh from cleansing the dirt, disguised and lifting dead skin cells. This product also contains alcohol and has been tested dermatology. In addition, this product is also good for the earth because its formula only uses exfoliant natural and biodegradable and not contain silicone. So you don't have to worry when you use it. Get this product now because our promos at 29,000 of the normal price of 49,000. This promo has started from April 1 to April 25. Visit our online store for orders like Shopee, Lazada, and Tokopedia. Or you can get our product in a nearby cosmetic store and a supermarket around you. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.